Hi guys, I'm back again. Happy New Year, happy 2022. Let's hope that this year is kinder on us. Today I'm going to be unboxing and testing out this Ugreen Bluetooth audio receiver and transmitter. Mostly I'll be using it to to receive audio to my headphones. Basically turning my wired headphones into wireless headphones. So let's just take a look at the box for a little while. These are all the information that is printed on the box. So what do you get in the package? You get the receiver itself, receiver transmitter. So I'll be testing the receiver function, which is RX here. I will not be using the transmitter function that much. So you get the user manual, which is quite a lot to read, but we don't need that. We can figure this out. The rest is just the USB-C charging cable. Yeah, I have a ton of these, so I need one more, right? Okay, so what I'm gonna test it out on is these two headphones. One of it is the One Audio Pro 50s, which only has the wired mode, and I'm gonna test it out on another headphone. Hold on, let me take it out of the case. I'm gonna test it out on this Audio Technica ATH M40X with the adapter. So let's just turn this on. Turn this on. Is it on? Yes, it's on. And I'm gonna pair it to my phone. Let me get my phone real quick. Let me get my phone. Where's my phone? Okay, my phone is here. I'm going to turn on the Bluetooth. Hold on. Where's the Bluetooth? Bluetooth is turned on. Let's try to see if we can find. Okay, here it is, Ugreen 80893. Okay, so pair it. Whatever. It's using the SBC codec. I don't think I can change to AAC. It keeps giving me the error. So let's just connect it to one of these headphones. Let's try with this one first. Let's try with the Studio Pro 50s. Okay, it's on tight. Let's open up YouTube Music or something. I'm gonna try with this song by The Weeknd, Die For You. Okay, let's just stretch these headphones a bit. Let's listen to it. Oh, okay. So what can I say about the sound quality? The sound quality for this Bluetooth receiver, the sound quality is very tinny. Yeah, like there is not much bass. There's a lot of treble going on. Yeah, it sounds very harsh. It sounds trebly, very little bass. There is bass, but the bass is not boomy. It's very trebly. My ears hurt. My ears hurt from using this. Pairing it with this, oh my god. Okay, first impression, I'm not impressed with this thing. Let's try it with the Audio Technica. I'm guessing that I will get the same results. Okay, is it played? Okay, let me play it. Let's just stretch it out a bit because I have a big head. It's the same thing. Oh my god. This Bluetooth receiver does not sound good. with only a hint of bass, only a hint, a smidgen, a speckle of bass. Mostly it's treble. So I'm a bit disappointed in this Ugreen Bluetooth transmitter receiver. Very disappointed, because the asking price is about RM 50 ringgit. Yes, 50 ringgit for this is the original asking price without coupons and stuff. So disappointed. It sounded that way. It sounded the same. It sounded trebly in this, and it sounded very trebly in this as well. Very little bass. And I don't recommend you purchasing this at all, because because the sound quality is not acceptable for my standards anyways. Maybe if you use it on a bigger system or a higher powered system, probably it will sound better. But I'm guessing this thing has not enough power or not enough juice to drive both of these headphones. That's why the sound quality is very trebly, and almost no bass. There is bass, but it's not boomy. It just sounds thin. It just sounds too trebly, and it hurts my ears. So based on my testing, the short testing, I don't recommend you purchasing this. Maybe there is some use for it. Maybe I can use it on a very old sound system, but using it as a receiver for your wired headphones, no, I don't recommend it. So that's it. That's my video for 2022. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye.